Odilon does not use encryption by default. In case you want to enable encryption, you have to stop the server and execute a script called enable encryption. The script will generate two keys: the encryption key that goes to the file odilon.properties and the master key. The master key is not used. You don't need to put it anywhere, but you have to store it safely because it is required in case you need to generate a new encryption key. Now we have to edit the odilon.properties files and copy the encryption key provided. When we restart the server, it will display encryption enabled on startup. New files will be encrypted at rest. Existing files will be accessible normally, but they will remain unencrypted unless a new version is uploaded.